welcome back to pongsgarage. Today it's a very exciting day, or it's rather a very exciting evening, because this is Aurora. And Aurora is a Volvo 850, and this is the brand new, not really, 27 years old, 996, Volvo 850, 2.5 litre, 20 valve. And she's got 170 horsepower, is slightly broken, but during the course of the next few videos we shall address the shock absorber and some fan thing on board and many other things. Expect to see quite a lot with the Aurora during the next coming year, unless she gets stolen, which I really hope she doesn't. She's got some very neglected paintwork. There's a lot of scratches. She's got a bit messy indicators. There's a bit of green stuff happening in them. And she's got some scuffings here and slightly sagging bumper. This is broken. The fan, as I mentioned, is broken. There's some electronic trickery going on with lights, so we'll address that too. But for now, this is all I've got to say about Aurora. And please subscribe to the channel and like this video and do all those things that YouTubers usually ask you to do, and you'll see a lot more of Aurora coming on the channel. For now, goodbye.